This is 13th of October. We are at the CIS annual conference, and we are with the president of CIS, Mr. Olushekun, who is also vice chairman and CEO of Capital Assets Limited. My question to you, sir, is why should people invest in Nigeria at the moment?
The point is everything supports an investment in Nigeria now. Every indicator that we can get says that Nigeria is the place to be. One is the fact that the market has started recovering. Two is that most of the companies have sound fundamentals now, and they are underpriced. In fact, a good number of them they have prices well below the book value. So when you look at the price to book ratio, you are finding something under one. Three is that government is doing a lot of things now to support the capital market. Government recently set up a capital market resuscitation committee. That committee has done a lot of work and has submitted its report. And I believe government is inclined towards accepting most of the recommendations. The recommendations will in particular support liquidity, provide liquidity to the market. It does as a summary. I should also add that the stock exchange, as well as SEC and the CIS, have put some reforms in place that will make it easy, to monitor the market and instill discipline in the market. So monitoring of brokers and quoted companies is much more effective than it used to be. Besides, correct, appropriate price discovery mechanism have been put in place. Market making has started now in Nigeria. Securities lending has started. Short selling has started. And other instruments are also being considered. These instruments would make it possible, to ensure that what happened the last time, the kind of bubble that we had, would not, reoccur, at least in the near future. So I would encourage every investor to come to Nigeria now. In another year, in a year's time or two, they stand to make a lot of gains. Those who invested in the market at the beginning of the year have gained a lot. The market on its own has gained 25% at least, and that is just the market, the aggregate. For some stocks, you can see gains of 50 to 60%. For some, they are maybe 25 to 30 to 50. So it's a good time. There's no doubt that it's a good time to invest in the market. There's concerted effort on the part of all operators, all participants, actually, to work together, to make sure that the recovery is sustained. I must warn, however, that in coming into the Nigerian market, we will advise investors to get education, to get investment education, to invest in analysis, and ensure that they watch, they invest based on sound fundamentals of those companies. If they are not able to do this themselves, either they don't have the time or they don't have the knowledge, what they should simply do is to use the professionals. They can appoint portfolio managers to create and manage portfolios that will suit their peculiar objectives, or they could invest through collective investment schemes managed by tested fund managers. This will be my advice.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.